Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to walk through the MIUI 12.5 version in this MI11 device, as you can see here. So in this MI11 smartphone, I did get the MIUI 12.5 update and I successfully downloaded and installed, and I did not start anything in the phone, friends. So this is the first welcome screen which I got as soon as I rebooted the device after the download and everything. So this is the initial setup page. So I want to just explain you how is my experience using this MIUI 12.5 initially for the first time experience. So that's why I did not try to do anything at all. So this is a welcome screen once you get download and install the process. So as you can see, friends, you do get this kind of welcome screen. So MIUI 12.5. And in case if you want to download any kind of wallpapers or live wallpapers particularly, so make sure to check the links in description for the live wallpapers videos, so which are uploaded separately in a playlist. So let's get started, friends, with this welcome screen UI. So MIUI 12.5. So let me start. As you can see, so as soon as you start, you will be getting the new kind of notification sounds as well, which got installed. So notification sounds inspired by the nature. As you can see, you can select different kind of notifications. So let me try to select the rainforest. So I click next, and there's another option which display about the privacy as well. So these are the things which got updated in this latest MIUI 12.5 version. So there's an option do not share the direct exact location particularly. As you can see, secure, you can even secure your clipboard. So when you try to copy, and if the clipboard is getting copied by any other third-party applications, you can actually know that from now. So protect your photos and conversations as well. So this is what the first image is about. Everything you can see here, friends. Location, so do not share the precise location. So next is notes as well. So capture your thoughts, new ideas. So I'll try to explain about this note in another video particularly. So there is another stylus mode also get added, so maybe you can draw right now. So there's a new screen. So welcome to MIUI 12, as you can see here. So let me try to swipe upside. So everything got set right now. So now the first thing is that let me try to scroll down, swipe between the center. As you can see, friends, so same kind of notification panel I can see here. So there's nothing much change in terms of the notification panel. So everything is same here. So let me go to the settings. Even the settings looks kind of same. So I did not see much kind of improvement in the settings as well. So there's quite improvement in terms of this volume, everything, as you can see here, side buttons. So now it's changed slightly. So in the before MIUI 12 version, it used to be like this. So you can see the difference, how it is exactly, as you can see, friends. I'll try to do this kind of comparison in another video, particularly all this explaining the features. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned as well for those videos. So these are the things which I did see in the first glance. So I'll try to talk about more things in another video as well. So this is just an initial impressions about this MIUI 12.5. So if you click what's new, as you can see, system animations, haptic feedback, all these features I'll try to explain each and everything in another video particularly, friends. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So this is just an initial impressions about this MIUI 12.5, and overall it feels and looks good in my opinion, definitely. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.